Well, good morning. It's little after 8. The sun is getting out. I'm so tired. Like, this is too early for me. And everyone was starting to pack like around 7, so I didn't get much sleep after. I was trying to sleep for a little longer, but it didn't happen. So I think I'm gonna start walking slow and maybe find a cafe because I need a coffee. So I did stay in Arzua at the albergue. It was €10 and it's okay. There is a lot of people there. There is not a fully functional kitchen and there is no Wi-Fi. Also, there are no blankets, only the disposable sheet and a pillow, but no blanket. So I don't like when there is no blankets because my quilt is all the way at the bottom of my backpack, so every time I need to go all the way down, it takes me like forever to pack in the morning. It's just easier if there is a blanket, especially if I have to leave at 8. It doesn't take me as long to just pack everything if I don't have to use my quilt. Well, I'm super grateful I was inside with a heater because it was cold last night. It still is. And it feels so weird to walk this early. Buen camino! There was another pilgrim. Look at the view though. It is beautiful. But definitely still cold. There is a river here, so that's why all the fog. And after this, when I'm gonna cross the river, I'm gonna go up. So hopefully there is gonna be sun because it's quite cold. Like, I'm just holding my camera with my bare hand and it is cold. But look at it. Wow. I think this is another albergue. Yeah, it's pretty. It's the river. Nice. I love this. Yeah, this is the albergue. This is quite cool. This is the one I was thinking to push towards to yesterday. Maybe I should have. I don't know if you can see it, but look at the sunbeams peeking through the trees and the fog. Wow, that is quite epic. That looks awesome. I don't think the camera is capturing it well, but it is amazing. Hello, long time no here. I know for you it's probably just seconds, but I haven't spoken to you in like hours, maybe even like 5 hours or something like that. The weather got bad. It was raining quite a bit. I'm just walking out of Palas de Rey, I believe, and by that point I've already walked like almost 29 kilometers, but I've decided to walk another almost 8, so it's gonna be around 36 something kilometers for today. And yeah, and there should be another albergue that is municipal, so it's open all year around, and it's pretty cold. It's like 4 degrees right now, so I'm thinking that it's better to stay in bed again. I know, I'm terrible. Zero self-control. Like, I would rather walk some trail without any accommodation available, because then I would be forced to sleep outside and I wouldn't even think about it twice. But if there is the opportunity, I just go for it. And it's €10, I believe, again. So yeah, hopefully I'm gonna be there before dark, but who knows. My legs are doing much better today than they did yesterday, even though the last couple of kilometers to Palas de Rey was a little bit tough. My legs started to feel heavy, but I sat down a little bit, I had a beer, so now I'm ready to push some more kilometers. And I don't know if I'm gonna talk to you later on, maybe, who knows. For now I'm done.